Hi guys, it's only me. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new sunny day here. It's so hot and feels so good outside. Today's my day off. Once you see me home at this time of the day, you know it's my day off, girl. Today's my day off from work. It's Friday. I got 2 Thursday Friday back-to-back day off week. Next week I won't get a Thursday Friday. So I am heading out to go to the supermarket, but as usual, Mel woke up this morning, dropped my kids to school, got workout done, and then I clean my house from top to bottom, scrub doors. My door's been annoying me, and my, you know, sometimes your door where the handles can get dirty and the light switches and around it can get really dirty. So my mission this morning was wake up and wipe down all them doors and all them light switches. So I did that, and I'm tired. I did not get a nap in today, but that's okay. I have to head to the supermarket. I'll just go to bed early later because I have work tomorrow morning. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having a good day, and I see that you guys are enjoying the extra vlogs with Papa. Isn't it a joy to see Papa more in the vlogs these days? I love it. Whenever I'm editing these days, I die of laughter. I just love when he acts himself and in front of this camera. He never seems to make me laugh. He never seems to fail to make me laugh. He's so funny. So I'm happy that you guys are really enjoying the bits and pieces with Babe. You guys will definitely see more of Babe when I'm not home and he's vlogging. So I'm really happy that we'll get to share a little more of Babe with you guys. Anyway, you want to come to the supermarket with me? I sure you do. I want to take you. So let's go. Head to the supermarket, girl. Cough. That's a bad cough. Position, sir. What we doing? Get off the phone. Get off the phone. Sarah, sit.
Okay.
Say hello, Sarah.
Hi.
Tyler. Hi. 4th person.
Hi.
Papa is funny, Sarah, right? Look at him. Yeah, look at this man. Yeah, look at this man. Look at this man.
It's time for the
He came prepared to be cloned today. I can see that. He's ready. He's ready. Come, Clowny. Let's go. Sarah, get down. See, Sarah, you see what you want, right? Sarah, see what you want,
for the ants?
For the ants?
Yeah, I saw ants inside the house.
Lie.
I saw a big one. A big one. I can smash it into your hand. I can smash it.
Let me open it for you. You want me to open it for you? You wanna try? You did it. Good job, but you have to close it back. Alright, you guys know that it's donut Friday. Yes, it's called peach, not bee. Peach. 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 Hey.
Okay, c'est parti, supermarket. Oh, yes, woman. What you want?
Give Mama some.
No. For Sarah only.
No, share, be nice.
No, not to Mama.
Share. No. You're not answering Madima.
Thank you, my daughter.
And you don't want to share with Papa? Share with Papa.
After you tell her not to share with me, you want her to share with you. The only way she's gonna share with you
Sarah?
is I tell her.
Sarah, share to Papa, please.
I don't care, Mama.
That didn't work.
No, give me Mama. No.
Yes, be nice and give him a little.
No, I don't want. I don't want. I don't want.
Hello, you're gonna make sure you better take it. Just take a little baby bite.
Merci. Ants.
I guess those supermarket have that happening today. I don't think so.
Ants. You see? Then you're gonna complain. You're gonna fall and you're gonna complain.
And then I'm gonna be mad at you because you're gonna make him get hurt.
Okay.
Anyway, you guys, supermarket haul today is huge. I mean, a lot of snacks because we're having guests early next week, so I buy extra things. Tyler is going hard on his bag over there. Big stuff bag. Alright, let me start this one.
You're not hungry.
Yes, I'm hungry. I told you to turn on the oven.
Lily.
Strawberries for the kids.
Chocolat.
Here.
Ole. Chili.
Broccoli for the broccoli for the broccoli.
Broccoli for the broccoli. No, the tree for the tree. The tree for the.
Jesus, you nearly hit Papa in his face. Stop, calm down.
Alright, what we have here? We have eggs to break on Tyler's head. Do you know what they say? They say if we throw a egg on your head and you break, that means you're smart. You want to try?
Remind me on my day off, we can go outside and play egg in spoon race, okay? But not with the egg, we're gonna put lemon. Heavy cream. I buy some red apples so the kids can eat.
What is that, Sarah?
Fromage. Monster Crunch.
Honey, what is this?
Honey, what
Ice
is
cream.
C'est petit crabe. Surimi de crabe. Pourquoi tu croyais c'était quoi?
What is it exactly? Is your mom like it? That's what I said. What is it exactly?
It's
It's crab meat? I know, I like it. So I got 30 crab rolls. Hand over mouth, Mama. Hand over
What's
mouth.
wrong with you?
Come on, do the haul. Tyler, stop, please. You're not getting too much now.
Alright, we have honey. She does honey.
Grapes, seedless.
Grapes. Give me the grapes. Oh, garbage bag. You call me honey, I'll call you garbage bag. Hey, garbage bag, come. Give me a kiss, garbage bag. I don't know what is that.
A type of juice that I know his mom like.
Okay.
Nesquik for hot chocolate, avocado.
Hot dog is about to happen. 1 for Papa, 1 for Tyler, 0 for Sarah.
Mama.
Sweet peppers.
Cereal.
Tomato.
Mama, it's good like this.
Yes, don't put anything else on top. Bread. Make sandwich in the sandwich maker.
Ooh, don't make it fun.
Jesus mercy. You guys can tell that my husband is just crazy today, right?
It's a good
Tyler finish. Put it back.
No, you have 2 left hands. You can't do that.
More bread.
Comfort.
Sarah, what is that?
I don't do Tyler.
And what are you eating? C'est quoi ça? C'est le donut?
Pick up and put it in here. And the other one too. What the first Tyler finishes back before us.
What is that?
Yes, her mouth full. Her mouth full. She can't even answer.
You don't
More
even know what
juice for the
if
kids.
she's enjoying the food. She answering the question.
Because it's ham, that's why he's saying that. Apple juice.
What is that?
I saw enough orange juice in the fridge, so I didn't buy any.
For Tai.
It's for Tai Tai.
Oh, my watermelon. I love watermelon.
Juice.
We have a bunch.
Lemon juice.
Stop saying juice before you start to stop drink it. And say properly what it is.
Soap. It's soap, Sarah. It's soap, okay? It's soap. It's not juice. It's soap. It's soap. You know, it's soap, okay? Okay.
Pasta. I love having a variety of different shapes of pasta. Yes, Sarah?
Blackberry.
It's not blackberry, it's
Is
grape.
Peppa Pig yogurt?
Banana. Snack.
You want Peppa Pig yogurt?
Here.
It's pop.
Broccoli.
They didn't have the big basmati rice, so I took the small one.
Oh.
Cereal bar, Mama can't do without these.
Triple chicken.
I used to love buying this. Put it over there on the stove. I used to love buying this lentil thing at the supermarket, but they changed the recipe and add a little tofu in it. So I still pick up one.
Sarah?
Double soap.
And I have
What
four.
is that?
Something for the barbecue. Mama, let's go barbecue in the outside.
Not today, baby, but today.
Mama, what's this white?
It's for my face. It's for to take off my makeup. It's makeup wipes. It's specific. Every time Sarah wants something, that's what she does. Please.
Nancy, please.
Yo, what is dentifrice in English?
Toothpaste.
Yo.
What is that?
You don't like it?
What is that, Sarah?
It's the first time I finished 2 bags before you.
It's
No,
because I haven't buy a grape in a
butter.
while.
What's that?
And this?
We still have more things to go. We have salmon. We have meat.
Dinner. We
We
have dinner.
fish. Yes, Friday pizza. We have green beans in the
Cheese.
cold bag.
And I have their fries.
You want chips?
Elements. I love it. Mama, I love this.
Yes, I know you love this. That's why I bought it, so you can have lunch one day.
Fries.
Yes, put it back in the bag. So that's it. Come, rock, paper, scissors,
And
real quick. Come, Tyler, let's see.
I trained.
Sarah against you.
I trained there is 1 hour.
Come.
Who
Who's
against
gonna
you?
win? You. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One papa.
You are so confident.
Come. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 2 Tyler. Come on, Ty. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Tyler win.
It's
Tyler
been a
win.
long time we didn't win.
Tyler win. Sarah, Tyler win.
I feel like it's the first time
Mama,
I've been here that I win.
Train.
It's about a year didn't win.
Oh my God.
You're gonna win. You're gonna win. Look at him in the eyes.
Lose.
Look at him in the eyes. Look at him in the eyes. Tell him you're
Rock,
gonna
paper,
lose.
scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
What is wrong with you? What is so damn wrong with you?
After you, Papa.
No, this is it. What?
You give up?
No, I can't give up. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Mama, what the rock, paper,
Understand?
You. Please, I didn't go to much in a long time.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I want the gym.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One mama. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 2, 1. Come on, then. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Shoot, 2. I hate this life.
If Papa wins, he win 1 and you win 0. And for you.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
1, 2, 1, 0. I win.
I am sick and tired of this house. I am sick. I am sick and tired of this house.
Mama, you are served.
Hey, you wait.
Mama, you are served.
Yes, what do you want?
I want chips.
You want chips? Which chips?
I'm going to play in my room.
Show Papa which chips you want. Oh, you say please. You guys, I'm sick and tired of it. I don't know what to do. There must be a way. Somebody comment down below and tell me what to do to beat Tyler. I don't understand. Honey, help me out here. You're not being of any help. What do I need to do? I don't know. He always beat me. No matter how I try to analyze him, I can't beat him.
It's a question of math. You have to think math and you get it.
Well, in that case, I'll never beat him. Anyway, you guys, I'm going to go put the piece. Look at this boy succeeding my child with her chips. Sarah, get down now, please. Supermarket haul is finished. You're almost too big enough to go up there. You soon start get down and go on your step. Anyway.
What's that? Alright, let's time for the
pizza.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing